Is it going?
Yeah.
So this is the first episode of hydraulic pressing. And here's the little wooden dragon head thing. Oh wow, that goes pretty deep. And that is noticeably flatter. Okay, there's the end of that video. Thanks for watching. And welcome to the second video of my shitty hydraulic press series with my shitty hydraulic press. This time we're doing Lutak.
Didn't that work out, Alan?
Now it's noticeably squished, but I can't get it to. Oh no!
You can't get it to unsquish. Oh my god! It's his.
Hello, hand.
It's his hydraulic press, except it's not hydraulic. How do I do? Do you hold this and pull?
Yes, hold that. Oh my fuck.
Oh yeah, it's coming. There we go.
Oh my fuck.
Oh
shit.
Carries your hand.
Good job,
Like
Alan.
here's support. Carries around the hand.
Better be able to get this shit off. Yay, I got it off one side, and now the other side.
Oh my god,
Hush. Tip it so that they can see. Okay. The hand has red nail polish. And yay, I got that off as well. And it is fully cleaned, almost.
Aside from like 2 dots.
Yes, but hush. And that's the end of that. Hello, hand. Hi, this is my third episode in 5 minutes of this shitty hydraulic press channel. You're shaking it
I'm sorry.
with featuring my shitty hydraulic press that isn't even mine. Okay, first off, styrofoam. Let's see. That squishes quite well. You know what? Hello, hand again. Oh, this doesn't work.
Actually, you probably. That probably would not be a good idea.
This one
Because it's just
seems to
tight
be a
at the
bit
end.
broken.
Why did you make your booklet then if you're not going to use it?
I wanted to be organized, but it's like actually there's nothing in it. There's nothing filled out in it.
Okay.
Because she'll just pick it up one day. Oh, crap, everything is used today.
Yeah, no, actually though. It's really rare for you to pull it out.
Okay. Hello. That scared me. This doesn't work too well.
I wouldn't put it on the handle though, because it just tightens, so it wouldn't. You'd have to tighten and untighten a lot to get it to work.
No, because just one push should be enough.
Okay.
But us sometimes don't ask this question. Oh, how's life going? Life sucks all the time, okay?
Jesus. And here's the completely squished styrofoam. And I'm going to open this up. And it's still stuck. Fuck off. I'm not playing 52 pickup. No. I refuse. The next thing I can throw cards. Oh, that went right by his head. Okay, now the next thing we have is a tiny bit of foam core. Squeak, 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 squeak. That's the entire thing. Okay. That did literally nothing. And now we're revisiting the wood.
Yeah, that was the most risky one.
Squeeze, squeeze. Okay, this is way harder to do that with.
She cut herself. And you know what we were actually kind of getting. We tried to.
Hello, hand. Oh, go. No, I don't trust that. Go. I don't trust an X-Acto knife in a plastic hand. Absolutely no difference yet again. Goodbye. Wait, no. There's one more. There was the paper ball. Where's that?
It stopped
It stopped?
existing. It doesn't exist anymore.
What? That's how shit works. Okay. So that is actually the end of the video.